Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Weston-super-Mare, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 308 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a lovely large panoramic glass roof, there's 17-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.